Montréal Mukbang! Next up, we got the all-dressed Ruffles. Honestly, people are telling me get the all-dressed Ruffles. I don't know what all-dressed means. So I'm seeing, I guess, salt, onion, and pepper. So let's try it. It smells pretty tangy. Get a look at that. Get a look at that. This is really good. Very, very delicious. And I'm addicted to potato chips. So in Seattle, we have Tim's Cascade chips. So that's like my chip of choice. Really like the texture of these Ruffles. Really like the flavor. It's potent. Like, it's strong, but it's not overwhelming. I like the sweetness that comes through at the end. I like how layered the flavor is. It's not just one flavor. Like, I feel like it's a complex flavor. See, I'm having to decide, like, do I eat with the ridges or against the ridges? All dressed Ruffles with the MPP Gatorade. Damn, that's delicious. That's delicious.